Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you all how to use quick share feature on Samsung Galaxy smartphone. Let's have a look. Here I am going to share files between Samsung devices with quick share feature. First, open Gallery app and select the image you want to share. Then tap share button from bottom of the screen. Tap quick share. Share to devices nearby. Turn on the screen on the device you want to share with. Now it's the time to turn on quick share. To turn on quick share, swipe down twice from top of the screen to open notification panel. Then tap quick share. Who can share with you? By default, no one. You can select contacts only or anyone nearby. Immediately you will see your device name on primary phone. Select your device name to send, then tap accept. Tap open and you will see file shared. You can share files with up to 5 people at a time without need to pairing devices. File sharing has never been so easy on a Galaxy smartphone. So these are the steps to use quick share feature on Samsung Galaxy smartphone. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.